The revolution of green energy has arrived and is bringing with it a game-changing force: green hydrogen. In at least 8 European countries, green hydrogen is now cheaper than liquefied natural gas. According to different sources, the cost of making green hydrogen with alkaline electrolyzers is lower than the cost of natural gas in countries like the UK, Sweden, Italy, Spain, France, Germany, and Poland. As Russia cuts off natural gas supplies to Europe due to the war in Ukraine, the price of natural gas has been on the rise. But while this is happening now, the cost of renewable energy and electrolyzers to make green hydrogen continue to decrease. So which countries are leading the charge in cheap green hydrogen production? Sweden and Italy are at the forefront, while Germany and Poland are playing catch up. But no matter where you are in Europe, onshore wind is the cheapest source of electricity. In contrast, the top energy source in countries such as Turkey and the UAE is solar energy. But what about the future? By the end of this decade, both natural gas prices and green hydrogen prices are expected to drop. Reports from Rethink Energy predict that green hydrogen will decrease from $3.7 per kilogram today to just over $1 kilogram in 2035 and 75 cents kilogram by 2050. Some countries may even be able to make green hydrogen for just $1 kilogram by 2030. Not only is green hydrogen cheaper, but it also offers stability and predictability in its production cost. Unlike natural gas, which is a volatile commodity controlled by just a few big players, green hydrogen's costs are steady and easy to anticipate. All the evidence is clear. Green hydrogen is now more affordable than natural gas, and it's time to take advantage. So what are you waiting for? The clean energy revolution is here, and it's time to join the green hydrogen revolution. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also join our newsletter directly on our website.